Hi guys! I'm Raymond Casiguran of Deluxe Property. We're here at Traba, located at Santa Rosa, Laguna. Are you looking for a high-end property near Metro Manila? So, Traba is perfect for you. Come on, we're gonna show you the inside of Traba. And I know that you will love it. If you want to know more about this project or meron pa kayong mga gustong malaman within the project na to, contact us sa number na screen. And thank you for watching.